Mini dental implants are narrow implants. They're about the diameter of a toothpick. And 2 years ago, Harvard came out with a paper that said, oftentimes, mini dental implants are the implant of choice. In my practice, we do both. We do conventional and we do mini dental implants, so we can help you whatever your need is. In comparison, oftentimes mini dental implants cost less than conventional dental implants. Plus, the healing is faster, so you get your final restorations faster. In comparison between mini implants and conventional implants, mini implants can be placed in areas where traditional implants will not fit. They're minimally invasive, there's less healing time, and oftentimes they're less expensive.